Okay, so welcome back again, Python developers. In this Python string series, we are going to see our program. Let's solve our sixth question problem. Count lowercase letters. Okay, so this is as same as our previous question problem. Count uppercase letters. So we need to find out in this program lowercase letters. Okay, so this is very similar to previous question problem. So let's find out by using VS Code. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this folder. Count lower cases, lower case dot py. Okay, so this is our file and let's write our program. Count lower lowercase letters in a string. Okay, so def count lowercase as colon count equal to 0 for ch in as colon if ch dot is lower colon count plus equal to 1, it will count lower equal to 1 then plus equal to 1 then return count. Okay, after that we will take a test to find out how many lower cases are there in this string. Okay, so let's create a string. Hello, this is Tom and I am living in city. Okay, so there is many upper cases and lower cases. Then print lowercase letters colon comma count lowercase and then in this text. Okay, so let's run our program and let's find out there is lowercase letters is 26 lowercase letter. Okay, 1 2 3 5 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. Okay, so there is 26 lowercase letters in this string. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet in our upcoming video of Python string series. Okay, so thanks for watching.